Hi there and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to adjust the water hardness in your Samsung dishwasher. If you're tired of mineral buildup and spots in your dishes, this video will help you get your dishwasher running smoothly. So let's dive in. To measure the hardness of water, start by letting the water rain for a bit. Then fill cup with the water to be tested. Next, dip the test strip into the water for 1 second. Gently shake the strip and wait for 1 minute. Finally, observe the color change in the strip from green to red. If all the blocks turn red, the water is extremely hard.